Good morning. Today I'm gonna take you to look at my backyard. Yeah, my backyard. Last month we have a big storm that fall out our papaya tree, and also my Wi-Fi wires, as you can see, they're coming down so low. Just call someone to come and fix it. So today video I'm gonna be showing like renovating, not really renovating, just cleaning. There's a plastic and paper box and everything in the backyard, so can't wait to see when it's all clean. I got stung by the scorpion once, and it was bad. I was allergic to the scorpion, and now I got kind of like a phobias where I check everything, even though it's been left for one day. I still do like a good check. Right now I'm terrified that something gonna jump on my face. And once I stepped on a toad, and it was not good feeling. I was screaming, he was screaming. My feet is like, I can't explain that feeling. So kind of check everything good before I even touching it. There's a lot of ant in this season, so there's an ant on the Wi-Fi wires. This is the tree that produce us eatable flower we call dog snow. It's a yellow flower, and one of my favorite. It come into the raining season and it would die right away after the raining season. So right now it's already dead, so we're gonna take it out. This is very good wood to make a fire. In the next video I'll be making rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna save that wood for later. These are my favorite tools. I don't know what you call it in English, but in Thailand we call cart. It's helped me dragging everything that I didn't need in my backyard, like dragging all the trash actually all. And thank you my auntie in the back for helping me cut down the tree, cut down the plant. It was big help, and I'm just here collecting small glass and pick up plastic to put it on one place so it's easy for me to collect it. Guys, the plant that I'm taking out right now is called cat marijuana, and cat loves it. I'm gonna take it to my cat later. My cat on the corner over there, you can see her, that's Coco. She can smell it. What it looks like so far. Now I have to collect all the plastic and we are done. So there's another plastic in there in the pile, foam, and we wait until the everything is dry, the glass, the tree dry, then we can put it on the fire. So right now I'm gonna collect the plastic right here.
dog dragging it out and I lost it. So I have the cotton in my house, so I'm just gonna store this one, wash this one, and then it's good as new, reuse. But now I have to throw it up. Oh. In my village, we don't have separate the garbage, separate the type of garbage. So we can just put everything together, and then it's gonna be this garbage man job. Because our house is not like that big enough, we only have one garbage we only have one garbage for 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4 houses. All the foam that when we're renovating the house, we got the mirror, the window, and everything, and we'll put all the paper box over there, but because we can sell the paper box, but we cannot sell the foam, so I think that, like, when we put it there, when the wind comes, it's just going everywhere. Like this, I can reuse it, like putting all stuff in and putting the garbage in. So I'm gonna reuse that bag because it's still strong. Like this plastic still good, so we're gonna keep this one. This one is a dog ball. Now we put the dog food. This one is a big help. It's dragging everything. So nice. Because today I'm gonna do another vlog. I'm gonna be grilling chicken, so I need this wood. This one, the crispy one. So I'm gonna keep this one and put it over there. If you guys wanna see the video, please subscribe, and it's gonna coming in the next video. This dirt here is very good. We got all type of animals in here. We got like a big ass snail here, like a huge one, because the dirt is so healthy. Yeah, like even though this one papaya is go down with the wind, and it still wanna produce more papaya. You see, we still want to produce more papaya over there. So I feel bad if I have to throw that papaya, like take it out. And we also got the dirt worm, this stick in all of this. Where is it? There's so many worms. Yeah, you can go fishing with this one. See? Am I creeping you guys out? Yeah, this is what you use for fishing in Thailand. Fish love this. here. This is let's see, I cannot sitting there and collect all the little piece. I'm so sorry, but yeah, that's how much I can make. And over there is the bag. Over there is Macy bag that I'm gonna be reusing, and that's my cat. So I collect all the plastic out, and in the next video I will be grilling the chicken over there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe because the upcoming video is gonna be me doing rotisserie chicken out from bamboo, and I'm marinating the chicken right now. So don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you like this type of video. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye. ก็มาช่วยแม่ทำอาหารกินหน่อยลูก